Welcome back to another workout. My name is Manny, and I will be your fitness instructor for today. Follow along as I take you through an amazing pull day workout. We are starting today's pull day workout with a cable lat pullover. We are going to be doing 15 to 25 reps in every exercise, so make sure you grab a weight that is light because we are going to take it on the lighter side, focusing on hypertrophy and building strength through repetition. Upon completing your 15 to 25 reps, you're going to rest for 60 seconds before moving on to the next set for a total of 3 sets. Today's pull day workout will be 2 exercises for the back and 2 for the biceps. After hitting the back, we are moving on to the biceps with a standing cable bicep curl. Great variation of a bicep because the cable allows the tension to be in your arm throughout the entire movement, making sure that we are focusing on building that muscle-mind connection using a mirror if you can. After hitting the cable bicep curls, we're moving into a single arm dumbbell preacher curl. We are doing it a hammer curl style, hitting the brachialis of the bicep. And after hitting the dumbbell hammer preacher curls, you're moving back to the back with a seated cable row. I prefer an underhand grip, but you can pick a grip that feels right to you. And that concludes our pull day workout for today. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more workouts. And as always, stay tuned and thank you for watching.